Hello everyone. So following our previous video where we spoke about references, in this video we want to answer the question, can we make a reference refer to another variable later in our program? Well, the answer is no. Once you make a reference when you initialize a reference as you declare it, you make that reference refer to a variable. It's going to point to that memory location for the whole program and you can't change that. Let me show you an example of this. So if I now create another variable, so integer, another age, sorry, I'll make that one word so that it's a valid variable. And then here, I'm just gonna assign this reference, this value, just like this. And so here, in the intention of changing my reference and make it refer to something else. Let's just see the values of all three. And the new one, another age. So they will pretty much all be 22. So let's compile and run. So this is coming from our previous two. So these two values are coming from these two lines here. And then all of them are 22. But is our reference really now become 22? Now you'll notice that when we've changed the value of, or the reference now, we've given it this value. So what pretty much happened in the memory location of an age ref, that became the value of 22. And this is why age has also changed to 22. So let me just let's keep these just to show that it was initially 30. And let me just run this one more time. Now you'll notice that age has also changed to 22, which is pretty strange. How did that happen? Well, that's because the where an age ref is pointing to has become 22, which is also age, right? So there is one thing that we can do in C++, is if you want to see the memory address of any variable, you can use the ampersand operator. Let me show you what I mean. So if I wanted to see where these point to in memory, I can just use the ampersand operator. So just like this. Okay, so let me compile and I'll show you where these point in memory. So this is really going to be helpful because now we know that age and an age ref, they both point to the same memory location, whereas another age has got a different memory location. This is how we know that these two, the reference and the variable are independent of this variable. Okay, so I'm just going to show you how if I change the value of another age, this is not going to change. Let me first see out the values. So this is only going to change the value of another age because this is independent of the age variable and the reference that we have here as well. So here's what's pretty much happening. So these age is still 22, the reference is still 22 since they both point, I mean this is a reference to age anyway, and this is the new value to another age. So I hope this answers the question of the title of this video. The straightforward answer is no. I hope this helps you and I'll see you in the next video.